Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to make chicken tikka masala in an Indian restaurant. So watch the full video. Firstly add 1 spoon of masala sauce. Then cut chicken like this way 8 pieces. Then add 2 spoons of gravy. Then add cream. Then mix it. Mix it nicely. So 4 things are needed: masala sauce, chicken tikka, gravy and cream. Cook it for few minutes. Now it's ready. Our chicken tikka masala is ready. This is the simple way of making chicken tikka masala in an Indian restaurant. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.